Here's a quick video tutorial for Old McDonald from Piano Safari Book 1. So in this piece we're still playing on the black keys, but we're going to be using both hands this time. So far we've only ever used either the right hand or the left hand. So this is where it becomes really useful to start using colours to be able to tell the difference. So we use red for right hand and blue for left hand. So we're going to be marking up the page, and I'm going to show you how I'd like you to mark up your page so you can tell which hand plays when. For the purposes of this piece, at the moment we're going to say that the notes with the tails going up are the right hand notes and the tails pointing down are the left hand notes. When we come to play other pieces of music later on, that won't always apply, but we can use that to help us be able to spot where we need to put our red and blue notes for now. So I'm just going to go over and do that now. So the first three here with the tails up are right hand. We're going to put a red circle around those. You could do it as a line above the notes if you want, it doesn't really matter. And then these ones are left hand, so that's blue. And then we go back, they're all right hand. Okay, this one doesn't have a tail, but it's a right hand one, it's a little higher up. And then it's the same on the next line, and it's a nice way of spotting where the patterns occur in the piece. So one thing that's the tricky thing to do in this piece is to be able to quickly swap from right hand finger 2 to left hand finger 3. That's the first finger swap we do. So let's just have a go doing that now. So here's the piano, and we're going to place the right hand on the grandma house on the 3 black keys and the left hand on the dog house right next door. And we'll do that in the middle of the piano here. And we'll just practice that change. So we've got 2 in the right hand and then 3 in the left hand. 2, 3. Okay, get them comfortable with that. And then we can proceed to playing the first red and then blue group. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Back to right hand, this time finger 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember those notes which don't have any tails, the ones which are called semi-breves or whole notes, last for 4 counts when we play them. And then you can see that the next line of music is exactly the same. So we're practicing swapping between those hands. And then this piece goes over the page and it's similar. Let's have a look. So over the page here we have a slightly different section, and we can do the colours for that as well. So you can do the same as me. Lots of right hand. The thing that catches people out is being ready to swap to the left hand right here. Kind of tricked you. And then if we carry on, we'll see that the pattern on this page at the end is the same as the first page. So there's only 2 different things to learn to play this song. It's also the first time that in a reading piece we play a piece which uses the tatties, the quavers. Okay, they're the notes which are joined together at the top. And you've done those on the sight reading cards already lots and lots of times. It's the kangaroo rhythm that we have at the beginning twice, and then Zechariah, zebra at the end. So you can have a bit of fun. Instead of using the words here, you can change the words to tall giraffe, kangaroo, kangaroo, Zechariah, zebra. And again, we're practicing passing from right hand finger 2 to left hand finger 3. Okay, so we need to make sure you know which one is which. Then it goes back to play the same thing as the beginning.